It's a big retail week on Wall Street. Jim, we've gotten some disappointing earnings from Macy's, Walmart, a lot of talk about less spending from consumers, worries about payroll tax and beyond. When we have, before the open, we have Best Buy, we have Dick's Sporting Goods, Home Depot, a whole range that will give us more of a read. What are you looking for here?
Best Buy, you need to see gross margin expansion. That's the bet, that they're starting to make more money, less competition. Don't forget Amazon now has to pay sales tax. Home Depot, I want to hear how much of your wallet is going into your home. That's something that they give you a terrific read on, so you want to watch for that closely. JCPenney, the cat's out of the bag perhaps, and the New York Post reporting that sales are a little bit better. So if that's the case, then the stock does nothing. Obviously, if the sales are weaker, the stock goes back to 12 where it was before the New York Post article.
To follow up on Home Depot, Macy's CEO specifically said in the beginning of the conference call, it looks like people are spending more on their homes than on some of these discretionary clothing purchases. People are worried about the housing, but we are seeing this remodeling cycle. Do you think this drive in Home Depot, which has been the best of breed, will continue?
Well, I mean, we don't know. I mean, Macy's doesn't have, I've been obviously in their housewares department. Macy's is very different from Home Depot. Aisle after aisle after aisle of different kind of stuff. I think that Home Depot and Lowe's, which has also been rocket ships, would not be great buys if there's even one bit of tick down in the business, because they've had such remarkable runs. So, you know, you're obviously, I don't believe in trying to game these quarters. I can just tell you what I think that you want to hear. And you want to hear that people are spending more money in the aisles of Home Depot per capita because their homes are improving in price, even if it means that they're spending less on dresses and less on shoes.
Best Buy up 160% year to date, reporting before the open. You said no longer the Amazon showroom. We want to see what's happening with the
stock's up just gigantically. And obviously, what momentum does breed momentum, but I got to hear that they're just really finding themselves last man standing, and they can raise price. If they can raise price, or there's no more price wars, then I think the stock can go higher.
Got it. The last one to focus on, TJX. Like you mentioned, we are getting reads that JCPenney might have some improving sales. People are worried, but we still have seen this secular off-price sector.
I mean, Ross Stores upgraded today. I mean, look, I think that TJ has a history of doing very well in this environment. They have very big Europe business. Europe coming back. They have very big houseware business, so that is similar to Macy's. And TJX is the highest quality company in the industry. I know we talked about buying it for actionalertsplus.com. Let's take a look.
All right. We'll be watching out for retail this week. More reads on what's happening with the consumer, especially going into the back-to-school season. I'm Nicole Erkin for The Street. Thanks for being with us.